Hi students, so in this video we will see a high level question. Question is, a motorboat went downstream for 28 kilometer. So a boat is going 28 kilometer downstream and then immediately it returned back. It took the boat twice as long as to make the return trip. So it takes it twice time to go to return, and if speed of the river flow will be twice as high. So if V gets twice, so there is a condition if in any case speed of water gets doubled, then the trip would have taken 672 minutes. So we don't know what was the exact time in the first time, but if the speed of the water gets doubled, then it will take 672 minutes. So I told you, so you have to find the speed of boat in still water and speed of river. So you have to find U as well as V. So you can see that there are two things. It took the boat twice as long to row up as to row down. So that is one concept. And second, the boat is going and coming. In that case, I have taught you a special trick by the name of average speed. So we will use both the concept in this question, and let's see how we can simplify it. So initially when the boat was covering 28 and then it is coming down, in that case what was the average speed? So we know that average speed, the formula for it is u square minus v square by u, but it is also given that it took it twice as long as to come. So I told you that whenever you have the time of upstream upon time of downstream, so here it is 2, that it takes the boat twice time in coming upstream as compared to downstream. In such case, I told you that you can find u by v by simply n plus 1 by n minus 1. So here n is 2. So we will put here, it will be 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1, which will be 3. So from here we get u is equal to 3v. So now let's put this value here in the place of u. So we will get the average speed initially, right? What was his average speed initially? So it will be u square minus v square by u, and u is 3v. So this will be 9v square minus v square will be 8v square divided by 3v. V will be cancelled out. So initially his average speed, the average speed of boat was 8 by 3v. So this was the average speed initially, 8 by 3v. But now what happens? Now if the speed of river flow gets twice, then the trip would have taken 672 minutes. So now time is given. Now the time is given 672 minutes when v gets twice. So now we will put v. We will put 2v in the place of v. So what will be the new average speed? What will be the new average speed? Formula will be same, u square minus v square by u, and u we solved that it was 3v, right? But in this question v is twice, so it will be 2v upon v is twice, so v is 3v. So when you will solve it, it will be 9 minus 4, 5v square divided by 3v. So it will give you a value 5 by 3v. So u is not changed in this question, only it is saying that you are changing the v. If the flow of the water is double, so we will only change this part. So 9 minus 4 will be 5v square by 3v. It is 5 by 3v. So this is your speed, this is your net speed, and you know the time, right? And you also know the distance. 28 kilometer he is going and boat is going at 28, it is also coming back. So total distance is double, 56. So now let's use the formula. Speed is 5 by 3v is equal to total distance 56, 28 going and 28 coming, and the total time is 672 minutes. Now everything is in kilometer per hour, but this is in minute. So let's convert this. into R. So it will be 672 by 60 R. So it will be 56 upon, this will be 1112 by 60 R, which is 1 by 5 R, and 11 1 by 5 will give you 56 by 5 R. So 56 will be cancelled out, 5 will go in the numerator, so it is 5, which is equal to 5 by 3V. So 5 by 3V is equal to 1. So from here you will get 5 by 3V is equal to 5. From here you will get 5 will be cancelled out, so you will get the value of V. So finally V is 3, and we know that U we have already find, that was 3V, right? So U is 3V, V is 3, so it will be 3 3s are 9. So our final answer is V is 3 and U is 9. So what is the speed of boat in still water? That was U, which will be 9. And what is the speed of river? That is V, which is 3. So this was the method. So this was the best method to solve such type of question. So practice on that. Thank you.